This is Martha Blessing from marthablessing.com. And this week's light language activation is geared towards helping you to remove obstacles and challenges along your soul path. We have just come out of a huge window of upgrades and frequencies of light coming in to help us move into our sovereign self, our highest self, our soul's fullest expression. And a lot of people are feeling the shifts and feeling the energies, but struggling with that, not able to let go of the pain body, let go of the fight or flight response in their bodies and their central nervous system, and allow that light frequency, those soul codes and light codes to come in and to integrate. And so this is to help with the upgrades and for you to be able to move into your next timeline. So the codes know what to do. Your soul knows what to do. Sit back, relax. If this resonates with you, I invite you to go to the link below, grab my free energy clearing light language recording, and that too will help assist you and guide you. Your soul will take whatever it is that you need at the time when you listen. It is an active, living frequency and activation and transmission. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Imi ari koto to titoni karagaramanta ishoto I compandi iri katapoto titoni aramakinta ishoto I kokoni mikiani karigoto shishoni imiki kinkintoti kipani iregabanti ishoto I kandari Omo kankitari katanta imoko moria murtitari rapunti darabanti darakoto toto mishiani kinta ikoko monti aribadinda inonto itodoshinda iminti karikapoto titonti darimashinta ikapantara onoto odoreshikanti taribandinda ibekani karadoto shishoni imakinta idatoto ipakinti tarigavante ishoto irikapinta inodo noto kitatinda ikanti aramoko ishoni dirbarikoto toshintari kapinta mo inkingi gyandandi daramoto ipetoni ititaponi pugoni tatikindari rikatanti daramosho itoto moko kinga tita imoro ibotonta Himi aria koto, itonte aria mandinda, ishono makanta, moto kira bandinda, itoto, ishomanti irakapanta, enono, noro kiri katinda, idoro, itono, ishonti pakinta, tiri barekototo, igonti, mirakinta tiripototo, shimi ari katinda, idoro, iribakin, ititi bakanta. Moki anishandinda idoto ikanta aramaganda idoto iraganda idabindari dasho mokinti ati topo kopopapani ipakakana karakita umbo induro kapanti itoto shipa iganda apokoko iko puntati toto ipoto intita intoto kompi ikinginda aragapo mitori itoto popo kinti devabanta shimiatoto. Receive the light, receive the codes. Your soul knows what to do with this. And I will see you in the next transmission. If you'd like to join me on Wednesday evenings for live frequencies and activations, that link as well is below in the description. Have a great week.